Hi, my name is Nadine. I am here with Dr. Sharabi at his office, and I was recommended by a close friend of mine. And I wanted to, I was having problems in my midsection as far as after I had my son. I felt like I gained a little more visceral fat in this area, and as I get older, I have been noticing it a lot more. I heard about Dr. Sharabi from my friend, and I actually came in to see him. This was a spur of the moment because I've been thinking about it, but never really fully say, okay, I'm gonna do it. So when I found out about Dr. Sharabi, I came in, scheduled the appointment, and he assessed me, marked me off, everything. I was happy with his markings and his recommendations. And I went ahead and I had liposuction done. I'm very happy with the results. And, if you have your friends and they're very, they want to feel good about themselves and look good when they wear a dress. I went out this weekend for the first time and I wore a dress and I didn't even have my faja on. And it was amazing. I love my results. And like I said, it's great. Come in and see Dr. Sharabi. He is great. Him and his staff I can't even, say enough how great they are here.